Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Amazon password. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and go to Amazon's website. Once you're in the website, you can see a sign in button at the top right corner. Click on it. Now, enter your email or phone number by which you have created your Amazon account and simply click on the continue button. Now, since we want to reset our password, let us assume I don't know my password, and from here we'll reset our password. For that, simply click on forgot password option right here. Now, you have to enter your email or phone number which is associated with our Amazon account and click on the continue button. Now, Amazon will send an OTP on our respective Gmail account. Now, enter the OTP from Amazon and click on the continue button. Now enter the new password. Again, you'll have to re-enter your new password and simply click on Save Changes. And just like that, we have successfully reset our password in Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.